excited to be part of the Lagos Business School Sales Academy, set to launch on 22nd of June 2022. What is driving my excitement? The LBS Sales Academy is a holistic program designed to groom the next generation of sales leaders. It's designed to enable high-potential sales professionals have the requisite skills to face the challenges of a marketplace today and also advance in their careers in the future. Let me try to frame the learning objectives from the LBS Sales Academy. It will equip our high-potential sales professional with the tools, systems, and processes to design the right route to market for the organization. And that applies to companies in the products and services sector, as well as players in the B2C or B2B segments of a marketplace. Ensure that our sales leaders understand what it takes to build and manage effective sales teams. We believe at the LBS Sales Academy that sales professionals should be equipped with the requisite financial skills to contribute more meaningfully to the P&L of the organization they work for. The LBS Sales Academy will also facilitate ability of our sales professionals to manage both internal and external stakeholders. The LBS Sales Academy has assembled a diverse faculty drawing from academia, consulting, and practice. This will ensure that our high-potential sales professionals get the best of exposure and experience from this program. The delivery is by a hybrid format, which is online and in-class face-to-face sessions. It will be a combination of case studies, experience sharing, as well as a capstone project. Join us as we launch the LBS Sales Academy.